Now, high example with my Android device, with the minus device, 5S doesn't turn on. If you try to press the power button, it keeps on flashing red light, like red light. If you try to insert charger, I use magnetic charger. See how to see and black my magnetic charger. It flashing red light. So wait until it charge. And see battery icon. So how to see? You have to turn the light on. Light on with battery completely charged. And my Nokia phone doesn't work. Try to turn on doesn't work. So unfortunately I can't get my Nokia phone to work. If you turn on, see battery completely charged. It's trying to turn on. Press the power button and it's called Google logo.
Cô Tân cô bảo là sửa được thì tớ mang sang trả cho cô. Ít cho anh mình.
Button doesn't work. If your phone doesn't work, it might be a battery flat. So the battery may be too flat. The reason that phone doesn't work is the battery may be flat, with flattened. So you can't set any phone to do anything. But the time is 7:01 p.m. and go on to my app. If you go to setting, you can say 1856 minutes to recharge, and the battery too flat. I am using a charger, USB by black 1 amp charger. It works, and the battery is so flat. So how to say? About 0%, and you have to sign to my account to do. You go into you so send anywhere apps. No mechanism going to Wi-Fi on and on, but doesn't. So go help you uninstall. Help me and go to Wi-Fi and enter this password. And about 1% the battery is short, doesn't work because because flashing red light, and the battery is too many too flat. About 0% doesn't work. If you try flat, it shut down. Will shut down. Battery doesn't work. So unfortunately I can't do anything work. If you go to account, so you can't do anything, go into restart page. Go blue app MC. See the place again doesn't work. See notification on every audio. And doesn't work. unfortunately the battery is so flat for operation. If you uninstall the app, you see Fate going and say not responding, so you can install that. Go to account and sign to my Google account. That pair of my Android my iPhone and my phone, iPhone, and the thing doesn't work. It's like lock out, and you have to sign to my account. It's have to take your camera off. Say checking phone and go on say on my account it will sign too. So you can sign, but you have sent anywhere you store. If you go to Google Play Store, it's restore Play Store, so it's properly. You go to Play Store. Go to send anywhere app, so you have to do on my account. So my phone doesn't seem to work because it seem have passcode. I try to run software and help me sign to my account. It works. Try make sure you have auto activation 6 app enable 3 and if you don't do, if you go send anywhere app, you send anywhere, say send anywhere, so you send any do anywhere app. Mac has work, so fortunately I can't do anything. If you try to uninstall the app, if you have a pixel ledger doesn't work, some ledger doesn't put any show, if you uninstall the app, doesn't install, let me uninstall, so you can't do anything, so I have to go to Google now, and you can uninstall that. Say do what you want to uninstall the app. Say đó là pending about 33%. They don't sign to my Facebook because iPhone send a sign to my Facebook, but only other message can sign to my sign to send anywhere app application. And you have to uninstall the app. And you came app, so I have to factory reset the app. Don't uninstall save app, you can't. Don't send uninstall you get married. Anywhere doesn't seem to appear on Google Play, about 33%. So unfortunately, so you can sign to my account. So I have to stop because I don't want to have. Sorry, goodbye.